Presenting Redmi Pad Pro 5G. It is available in variants 8GB RAM plus 128GB ROM, 6GB RAM plus 128GB ROM and 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. It is available in Graphite Grey, Mist Blue and Quicksilver. This has 8GB RAM and up to 128GB storage. Designed with 12.1 inches XL display, 120Hz AdaptiveSync refresh rate, 2560 x 1600 resolution, 600 nits brightness and 68 billion colors. It comes with HyperOS and Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor built on cutting-edge 4nm process technology that delivers exceptional performance and efficiency. It has long-lasting 10,000 mAh battery which lasts up to 16 hours HD video playback, 17 hours reading time and 33.9 days standby. The box includes tablet computer, adapter, USB Type-C cable, quick start guide and SIM ejector tool.